Hey guys, it is me, William, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the LEGO Beatles studio. I think it's not really studio, but I'm just gonna show you how to make it. So yeah, let's get started. So I reviewed the LEGO Yellow Submarine set. I already reviewed that one, but I just want to show you guys how you can make like from the 1964 or 1963 or 1964. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have John Lennon. So he has like this Lego movie hair. So from like the Lego movie sets, and let me tell you guys, it looks amazing. This actually looks like John Lennon when you put this hair on, and then he has like the Ant-Man face on. And then he has like a custom torso. I actually customized it because I only had like one of these torsos, so I hope I can get more. And so here's the guitar. It's called the Rickenbacker 325. Yeah, so nothing special about John Lennon. So it's just the torso and the guitar is just special, I guess. So yeah, that is John Lennon. Next we have Ringo Starr. So I used the Larry the Barista hair, and then I just used the Harry Potter blind bag minifigures. So the only problem is this. The only problem is that the eyes and the mouth is just coming off. I just don't know why. And then the custom torso, of course, and then the drumsticks. So yeah. So nothing special about him, I guess, as well. So yeah, that's Ringo Starr. Next we have Paul McCartney. So yeah, he has like just the natural hair, and then I gave him like the Bruce Banner face from, and I used this face from Roger Taylor from the Queen Live Aid, and then you can see. So so I think I think this face is like really good. It looks like Paul McCartney, and and then the torso is customized, and then his base is actually from John Deakins. His base is actually John Deakins, so it's just brown and all of that stuff. So yeah, that is probably Paul McCartney. And last but not least, we have George Harrison. So George Harrison has like the Harry Potter blind bags hair. So he has like the Spider-Man Far From Home like Happy Hogan face. And then I was like, wait, if I'm going to put this head on, this actually looks like Paul McCartney. Sorry, and then the custom torso, and then the guitars. So yeah, that is George Harrison. So now we're gonna move on to the studio thing, I guess. So here we have like Ringo Starr's drum sets. So I customized like all of these symbols so they could be like golden. So yeah. And then for George Harrison's guitars, they'll actually have three of them. Like this one's probably the Rickenbacker 360, and then this one's just like another guitar. And yeah, and then what I do is I use blue tack, and I just like stick it on here so it can just look like that's just sticking on here. So and then Sean Lennon has like his like golden like his casino, and then his like acoustic guitar, and then the piano. And here is like all the mics, and then so yeah, I'm gonna show you what they look like on. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what they actually look like on the like instruments. Oh man, this is taking a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. And so this is what they look like on their instruments. So yeah, but so I know. So if you want Paul McCartney and like George Harrison to like, because I actually know that when they play like Twist and Shout, you just see like them like share like mic or something. So if you just want to, you can just like pull their legs up and then just like put them on the wall, and then it could just look like there's just like two people like just singing. So yeah, that is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And what should I also do to make like the Beatles, like what the update is, because I know like the fans are like going crazy. So I should probably put some like girls over here, like on the ground. So yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.